What's going on, everyone? This is the Tusk adjustable axle nut flag mount, and this is going to give you a great way to hold a flag onto your bike for those dune trips. My favorite part though is the way that this installs. It's very, very easy to live with, and I want to show you all about this so that you can decide if this is the one you need for your next dune trip. Now, when it comes to going to the dunes, you've got to have a flag on your bike. You don't want to get in trouble with the law, and there's a lot of different ways that you can hold a flag onto your machine. This billet mount though that Tusk has just brought out is one of my favorites. We're going to start off with the way that this is built. This is built out of billet aluminum, and it's going to hold on to axle nuts between 17 and 32 millimeters of size. That gives you a gigantic window for machines that this is going to work on. Now, on our product page on this is a machine specific part, so make sure to put in your year, make, and model to make sure that this is going to work for your machine. Now, the next thing that I'm going to tell you is the way that you can adjust the angle of your flag. Now, when you tighten down your axle nut, they're not all going to end up in the same spot. We've thought of that, and so that when you tighten down your axle nut and you go to put this thing on there, you can adjust the tilt of this to make sure that your flag angle is right where you need it to be. Now, speaking of flags, this is going to hold a 1/4 inch flag, and it's easy to install and uninstall your flag for the trips home with this thumb screw right here. Super easy to live with. If you're looking for a super secure flag mount for your next dune trip, this is one that you are definitely going to want. Go ahead and pick up yours by going to the link below or going to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.